Design is not just a skill, it's the complete mindset. And if you want to explore every bit corner of design, from graphics, UI UX, or the ways of freelancing, but don't know where and how to start, or stuck with your career growth, or want a career advice, then guys, you have just landed on the right channel. I, myself, Arpit Rajawat, a senior product and UX designer, having 7 plus years of experience crafting intuitive, engaging, and digital experiences for businesses. Currently working with Cognizant, helping businesses in building the enterprise level experiences, majorly solving the motive of resonating with users and customers, fulfilling the business goals. This channel is dedicated to everyone who wants to learn, grow, evolve in the field of design. In this channel, you will see all the videos about UI and UX fundamentals, design decoding, product design thinking, decoding of case studies and portfolios, the ways of freelancing, tips and tricks, the knowledge about tools and frameworks, the day in a life content, or somewhere you can see the podcast series as well. Why we are building this YouTube channel? So when I started 7 years back, I found out a lot of theoretical knowledges to become a designer. Everyone is talking about the lucrative roadmaps, but no one is giving up the real guidances, the real milestones to achieve those roadmaps. But from my learnings and experience, I will tell you about every bit details how I became a self-taught designer, from being a Java developer to a senior product UX designer. From my learnings, you will get to know each and every bit and nook of the industry, how design industry works around, and you can avoid all of those mistakes that I have done in my career path, so that you can grow effectively in your career paths. So whether you are a student, working professional, freelancer, or aspirant designer, or want to do a career switch, then you are on the right place. So if you have a passion for learning design or to level up your creative careers, then hit that subscribe button and get turn on, not you, the bell icon, so stay updated with my latest videos. Stay tuned until the next time.